Welcome to Phone Transformer, where today we are going to show you how to organize Android apps to make your phone much more efficient. Managing your layout is simple and helps you find everything faster. So now, let's get started. Step 1, open the app drawer or look at your home screen to find the specific application you want to move. This is the first step in decluttering your space because it allows you to identify which apps are used most frequently and where they currently sit. Step 2, hold down the application icon with your finger until you feel a small vibration or see the icon begin to wiggle. This action activates the edit mode for that specific app, which is important because it unlocks the icon so it can be moved freely across your screen. Step 3, drag the application to your desired location on the current page or slide it to the edge to move it to a different panel. This allows you to group similar tools together or place your most important apps right where your thumb naturally rests for better accessibility. Step 4, release your finger from the screen to drop the application into its new place. Once you let go, the icon will snap into the nearest grid coordinate, securing your new custom layout and ensuring your screen looks exactly the way you want it. Step 5, you can make folders to arrange apps by dragging one icon directly on top of another. This is an excellent way to categorize your tools, such as putting all your social media or work apps into one single spot to keep your home screen clean. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.